Hey there, welcome this week in the shop with Scott. I make more progress on the fish landing net and start a second one down here on the workbench. So, hope you enjoy this quick video.
With the glue completely dried for a few days, I remove all the clamps and work on removing the net from the form that I created. I use the drum sander to get this down to an even thickness. Then using the belt sander, I smoothed off the transition from the hoop to the handle. Using the slot cutter bit, I cut the groove where I'll tie the string to hold the net to the fence. And then using a roundover bit, rounded over the outside and inside edges of the hoop as well as the handle. And what would a woodworking project be without lots of sanding, just to get everything nice and smooth and even. Starting net number 2, I grabbed a piece of cherry I had and worked it on the jointer to get a flat face, so then I could get a square edge as well. I cut my piece to roughly 24 inches, that's the length I want for the handle on this net, and then ripped it to 2.5 inches wide. Just like I did with the other net, I used some painter's tape and star bond to hold the handle in place while I clamp on the strips. And here I go with the trigger clamps and the 3 pieces of ash and 2 pieces of cherry. Again, like last week, really surprised how easily these bent around the hoop form and locked into place. One of the last things I worked on was cleaning my table saw blade. I noticed I was getting a lot of burn marks on my rip cuts, so I pulled that off, and using some simple green diluted in a bucket, I let it soak for a little bit, and then using a brush cleaned off any residual gunk on that blade. So hopefully I'll get cleaner cuts in the future. Quick spray with water on the other frame to raise the grain, and we're done for the week.